We'll guide you through how to integrate Zapier and Slack seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Zapier.com. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, you need to sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one by following the sign-up prompts. After logging in, click on the Create Zap button, usually located at the top right corner. This will take you to the Zap creation page. Here, you'll see a list of apps and services. In the App Event section, search for Slack and select it. Zapier will ask you which Slack event you want to trigger this Zap. You can choose options like a new message posted or a new channel created, depending on your needs. Once you've selected the event, click Continue. You'll then be prompted to connect your Slack account. Zapier will guide you through the authentication process. Just follow the instructions and authorize Zapier to access your Slack account. After this, you can set up your action. Choose another app that you want to integrate with Slack, or even choose Slack again if you want to perform a different action within Slack. For instance, you might want to send a message to a specific channel when a new event occurs. Select your action event and click Continue. Now, configure the action details. This might involve selecting a channel, typing a message, or setting other parameters. After configuring, click Test and Continue to see if everything works as expected. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your integration. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Zapier and Slack to automate your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.